Hi guys, in my quest to change my appearance for long enough to hold me off from getting another piercing or dyeing my hair, I'm here with my friend Shaynne. So I was sending her pictures when I turned into an e-girl, and she was like, we should swap styles. Because while we have a lot of similarities, I'm very summer happy bright colors, and she's very winter. What are you?
I don't know what I am.
She's very winter, dark colors, thrives on that kind of vibe. So we're gonna do hair, makeup, and outfit. I think is that it? Oh my gosh! And then we should FaceTime Avery and Andrew.
Oh my god.
From each other's phones.
Oh no.
And then we're gonna FaceTime our boyfriends and see their reaction to us switching. Okay, we're gonna start with makeup.
Let's see.
What a little cutie. Oh no. She did her phone foundation and eyebrows because I can't do eyebrows.
And I don't have eyebrows.
To save my life. Okay, so that means this routine is gonna be like 3 steps because my routine is only like 5.
So do you put powder on before you put that on?
Yeah.
Okay. I've never used any sort of liquid blush.
I love it. This is Glossier Cloud Paint. This is Cloud Paint, so I'm just gonna squirt a teeny tiny bit on my finger. Yeah, oh my gosh, I never do someone else's makeup. I feel weird.
Make me Colleen.
So, like a shit ton on your nose. Highlight from my broken palette. You can tell the only thing I use is the highlight.
Oh, is it pink?
Yeah, it's like a champagne-y pink color. Other side. I literally do my makeup in 2 seconds most days. If I'm not filming it, it takes me like 5 minutes tops.
I know, if I'm...
And I do...
Oh, right in the inner corner of your eyeballs?
Yeah.
Isn't it like the blink? Blink.
You have nice eyelashes. Yeah, I try to... So I did a little bit of my own just so I don't look naked, but like... Shane's still gonna do the rest of my makeup, but I usually try to focus it on like the outer ones because I feel like that gives you that like cat eye look.
So like outer eyelashes?
Yeah, like I do literally exactly that, and I mostly focus on my outer eyelashes.
Do you do bottom at all?
No, because I have weird eyes, and when I do bottom, it just smears under my eyes.
Well...
Are you gonna have to do my bottom?
I am gonna do your bottom.
Okay, while we're here, should I just do your hair? Because I'm not doing too much to it.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, brush it out.
Oh yeah. Probably should.
We're gonna have to clip your bangs out of your face because I don't have bangs. Baby, no, no, baby. Go get your mom. Go get your mom. Go see your mom. Go see mom.
Okay. If you want to brush it again, I don't know. I have a middle part, so.
I've been doing closer to middle parts recently, so I think that works good. Okay. I wear these little dudes all the time, and also I don't have a pink wig for her, so we're using pink butterfly clips.
I have a purple wig.
I don't have purple hair. Okay, usually I would do my little front pieces, but since Shaynne has bangs, we're gonna do the bangs.
You're gonna have to probably clip it closer to my head. I have really thick hair, so.
I don't know how that looks. That doesn't look good.
Here.
It looks silly.
You're probably,
it's like
maybe more at like a 45-degree angle.
Yeah. So this is how I do mine. I was just trying to grab all of your bangs because I didn't want to. How does that look?
I think it looks good. Even with my contacts and I'm still blind, so.
Okay, turn so I can do the other side. Okay.
That one feels more secure on this side. I can definitely feel it. But do they look even?
Kind of. Wait, look at the... No, they don't.
Like if you look at me straight on, do they not look even?
No. I'm gonna secure this one a little bit better. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Okay, this is...
That was it for the makeup and the hair?
Yeah, I don't do much. If you're doing eyeliner on me, you're probably gonna have to change the way you shape it because my eyes don't fit the normal eyeliner shape.
We have like the same eye shape. We have really hooded eyes.
Do I have hooded eyes?
Yes.
I never knew that.
That's like the crease on your eyes. You gonna get copyrighted for that? This is definitely different than your normal. Turn a little more towards the camera so that I can close up. That's pretty. Yeah. I don't know how to do eyeliner on other people.
It's yellow. That's cool. Wait, I like that. It's cold. I'm sorry.
It's cold. And this is the Essence Liquid Ink from Walgreens, I think.
Do you actually get your makeup from Walgreens? I feel like it's overpriced there. Like, I feel like
I usually get it from Target, or not Target, Fry's.
Yeah, I feel like Walgreens, like, ups it a little bit, because, like, most people, if you buy your makeup at Walgreens, it's because you're in a pinch, I feel like. Mm-hmm. Unless I'm wrong. Maybe they have, like, good coupons, but I only go there for, like, Arizona iced tea and Squishmallows.
I go there for drugs, so.
Oh, prescription drugs, right?
I just meet my drug dealer in the Walgreens parking lot.
She doesn't do drugs, guys, I promise. I mean, some people are so... Like, jokes go right over their head on the internet, and that's what scares me.
Yeah, like when you posted that TikTok of the sneeze or whatever.
Oh yeah, I posted a TikTok that was a complete joke. It got 50,000 views, and like a ton of people in my comments were mad because they didn't know it was a joke. So I had to take it down because I was getting scared.
Okay, keep your eye closed.
Me this morning when I burned cheese in the toaster.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I burned cheese in my toaster, and I guess
Wait, what did you put? Why did you put cheese?
I tried to make one of those toaster quesadillas.
Oh my gosh.
And the cheese like fell out of the bread, and it started to like.
Oh, it says.
So I was like, "Don't burn, please." How many times a day do you have to swallow your own spit?
Very frequent.
Okay, good.
Why do you think it's weird to like? How
Yeah,
often?
I used to like cry to my parents because I thought I had to do it too much.
I think like it depends on the day, to be honest. I think everybody has different quality spit, different quantity of spit, you know? Some people might have like to swallow a lot more than others. What am I talking about right now?
I don't know, I just wanted to feel normal.
No, it's normal.
I don't know, I think everyone has that thing that's normal, but they always like freaked out about.
Yeah, what's mine?
Everything.
As long as you don't go like, look at my eyeliner, because it doesn't look even right now without the... Here, look up. Okay, smile. I think just put on another coat of mascara, and then you'll be good.
Okay, and you're gonna do my hair?
For your makeup.
Is this something you usually do with your hair?
Yes, but different. But Colleen hair.
Are you gonna buzz the underside of my head?
I am. How do you know?
No, it's like scary because I've been asking Shaynne to give me a haircut. Well, my hairdresser's been out of town. And I was scared that today I was just gonna come over and she was gonna be like, okay, we're cutting it so it matches mine. And I was like, yeah, that's what I want, but I need to be prepared.
Oh my god, is it bad that I actually considered springing that on you?
I'm at the Pizza Hut. I'm at the Taco Bell. I'm at the combination Pizza Hut and Taco Bell.
I thought I went the other way. Like, I'm at the Taco Bell.
No, I think it's Pizza Hut first.
I think you're right. I think I'm just stupid.
There's a Long John Silver's and Taco Bell combination.
Like, right down the street.
Yeah, and I've never... I mean, I am allergic to fish, but I've never had Long John Silver's. But I go to that for Taco Bell all the time.
You gotta be careful.
Well, they don't... I think they even serve Long John Silver's anymore. I think the sign is just there. I'm at the Long John Silver's. I'm at the Taco Bell. I'm at the combination Long John Silver's and Taco Bell. Hey Siri, what song goes... Boo boo doo doo doo.
Do 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 do. Boop boo do 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 do. That might not.
Sorry, I didn't catch that. Try tapping above to edit.
She doesn't know.
Put these on.
Okay, you put this on.
Let's hope we're the same ring sizes.
That's a 5.
Oh yeah, that's me.
Okay, which ones do you want me to put? Are they all the same size?
No, the spoon one is the biggest one.
Thumb?
Yeah. I put it on my thumb or my fattest. My right hand ring finger is fattest. Oh wait, I'm not married. Oh, but it doesn't fit. Okay,
It doesn't go on that hand. It goes on the right hand.
Oh.
When you're married, you put it on your left hand.
I got you 2 outfit options just because I wasn't sure if like you'd be really uncomfortable in one, because one is a crop top and you never wear crop tops, but I only wear crop tops. First option is this nice sage green dress.
Oh, that's the one you wore for your birthday.
For my birthday, and then the other one is this yellow crop top and just jean shorts.
Ooh. Ooh. I'm like, I got so excited to like put you in my clothes that I was like, oh yeah. These are your longest shorts?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
The tag is sticking out.
I am not used to seeing myself in... Do you see how short these are?
It's like looking in a mirror.
I'm like gonna bend over and it's gonna like...
I forget I have -A cups.
Let me know what else you guys want to see from me. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye!
Is that what it sounds like?
No, not at all.
Oh my god, I need to change now. I need to be you.
Oh yeah.
How does that work?
Alright, close your eyes.
This
Wait,
already
there's
feels
something.
like so much more clothes than I usually wear.
Oh, it is.
Oh my god.
Okay, put it on.
Okay. Oh my gosh. This is not me. It's me. It's Shaynne. It's your mom. Oh. So Shaynne changed into the dress. Oh my god, look at us together.
This is weird. Oh my god, this is so weird.
This is so good. This is so good. You guys killed it.
Do I look like Colleen?
Yeah, literally.
Does she look like me?
Yeah. You guys kind of nailed it.
I feel so dark. I'm like sinister.
Oh, thanks.
It's called you sinister.
Okay, we're gonna call Andrew now.
Where's the fuck go back button?
Did we do a good job?
I guess.
What do you mean?
I feel very cozy though. Like I feel like I'm dressed up for
Right?
like I'm about to have like some hot cocoa.
Right!
In front of the fireplace.
That's what you need. I feel like I'm about to go, to the beach.
Let's go to the beach.
What do you hear me say a lot?
I can't believe my favorite band just got canceled again.
Oh my god! Did I say that?
No, but all the bands you like turn out to be not good people.
I know!
Okay, mimic
I feel
me
like
now.
our dogs also match. Like...
Yeah, like you have a little, like a dark, like, Billy
Satan.
and Cappy's like a little fluff ball.
Billy's actually Satan, so... I think if I just started, like, quoting TikToks, like, I could, I don't know, let's go to the beach, each.
Nicki Minaj.
You literally just did that, too. I know you say hee-hee a lot.
This is the style swap. I am now Shaynne. She is now Colleen. You will not be seeing her face on this channel. I'm kidding.
I'm like, no you won't.
Yeah, that's the whole video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know other videos you want to see from me. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye!
Heard you say I'm not the baddest, but you lie. It ain't my fault.